So my mom's going to show us how to make the perfect steamed rice. So she's going to do it on a small volume. So it's 2 small cups here.
2 cups. Got it.
So it's like these small half cups. So my mom's going to make her version of the perfect steamed rice. So just wash the rice a bit with your hand. So you try to make the water as clear as you can. You never get it completely clear. So usually about 4 or 5 rinses, you'll get the rice clean enough.
Oh, got it.
Okay, so put the rice on the stove top here. So as you can see, the water will barely cover the rice. So the rule of thumb basically is 1 cup of water to 1 cup of rice. If you want fairly firm rice, if you want it more broken, in terms of more softer rice, you can put more water. Just go 1 to 1 ratio. So you put a bucket of water, a bucket of rice, a pot of rice, a pot of water, a cup of rice, a cup of water. So the ratio stays 1 to 1. So we're set the setting for medium high to bring the rice to a boil. Once you see the rice is boiling, turn the heat down to low to medium low.
Continue to cook the rice for 15 to 20 minutes. And make sure you don't open the lid during this time.
So the rice turned out really good here.
Use a spatula to loosen the rice. And be sure to turn the rice from the bottom to the top. Cover with the lid again, shut off the heat, and let the rice stand for a final 10 to 15 minutes.
So this is a perfect steamed rice that my mom has made. Nowadays we just use the instant rice cooker, but a lot of people still like to use the pot to make the rice.
There you have it. Perfect hot steamed rice made without a rice cooker. And now we're going to show you how to make perfect steamed rice with a rice cooker.
So just rinse the rice a few times to get rid of the starches and also clean the rice at the same time.
When you cook rice in a rice cooker, it's still the same ratio, 1 to 1. So you use equal amount of rice to equal amount of water or other liquids. To cook the rice, just set it at the regular rice setting. The indicator will switch over when the rice is cooked.
So just take a spatula just to loosen all the rice. So close the rice cooker and let the rice steam for another 10 to 15 minutes before serving.
There you have it. Perfect steamed rice once again. This time using a rice cooker. Enjoy.
So thanks for checking out my video. Please subscribe and mark notifications so I can get you the latest video. Any comments and questions are always appreciated.